Hey there, content creators. You're probably optimizing your pages for Google, but are you also optimizing for AI models that are now powering search and generating instant answers? The truth is, the way you structure your page determines how confidently both Google and LLMs can crawl, understand, and use the information on your page. We've broken down in this video the perfect 9-point structure that satisfies both SEO fundamentals and the needs of modern large language models. Let's dive right in. First, the technical head. Beyond the basics, like your title tag and meta descriptions, the real AI booster here is schema markup. Use types like article or FAQ page. This is the single clearest way to tell the machine what your content is about. Next, the core identity and hero. This is your H1 in the opening paragraph. The H1 is the definitive title, but the opening paragraphs acts as an instant abstract. LLMs frequently extract this for a quick summary or featured snippet, so make it dense with value and keywords. Next up, you have the dedicated AI summary block. This is distinct visually highlighted box or a quick takeaway using 3 to 5 bullet points or statements summarizing your main findings. In a minute, we'll take a look at where you can find ideas for this section. Moving on into the main structure of the website page, the table of contents. This isn't just for users, it's a semantic map for AI. It helps models understand the exact scope and hierarchy of your entire document. Next up, the main body content. Here, your hierarchy must be perfect. H2 is for main topics, H3 for subpoints, and don't skip levels. Expertise, experience, authority, and trust. We've talked about this way too often, but it's very important. The next section on the page, related content. So, for SEO's sake, we know for a long time if you show related articles, they may stay on the page, they may click to other pages, it has a benefit. When you factor in large language models, it now helps to reinforce. So if you have a page about law firm SEO services, and then you have a page about content writing for law firms, another page about link building for law firms, and the third page about technical SEO for law firms that are all related reads, that's going to help to reinforce that you do have good topical coverage for law firm SEO. And finally, a most overlooked but equally important part is your footer. So both SEO and large language models AI are going to look for. And so here's an easy example. For law firm SEO in Nashville, you can see here we are showing up in the AI overview. And so if you look at what they've actually said when somebody searches for something like this, it almost perfectly mirrors what we just went over. Here's a brief extract, which would basically be an intro section that summarizes the key points. And then when you go to block 2, you have the bullet points. What are the key services offered? Which these are basically just subsets of SEO, so you know what those would be if you were making an SEO page. And then they go on to highlight some of the benefits of SEO. So if you were creating your own page, you could give proper entities and then siloing your website to make it really clear. This is the next natural progression.